Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable the clipboard history on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and select the settings gear button on the left side where you hover over it. It says settings. Go ahead and select that. And then select the system tile. On the left panel, scroll down and select Clipboard. And then on the right side underneath Clipboard History, save multiple items to your clipboard to use them later. Press the Windows logo key and the V key to view your clipboard history and paste from it. Click inside this oval to toggle that on to save clipboard history going forward. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.